Good morning students. In continuation with the chapter Mineral and Energy Resources, today I am going to explain you what are ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. Well, to begin with the first one, ferrous minerals. Do you know these minerals are very good conductor of heat and electricity, and they account for about 3/4 of the total value of the production of metallic minerals. And they also provide a strong base for the development of metallurgical industries. There are two different kinds of ferrous mineral. First one is iron ore. Now, iron ore is the basic mineral, children, and it is also known as the backbone of industrial development. The reason, because all the industries they depend on iron ore. Now, India has a very rich quality of iron ore. Magnetite is the finest iron ore which we have in a country with a very high content of iron up to 70%. Then we have a hematite ore which is most important industrial iron and in terms of quantity used, but has slightly lower iron content than magnetite. It contains around 50 to 60% of iron. Now, do you know that we have four major belts which have been found in our country? The first is Orissa Jharkhand belt, second is Durg Bastar Chandrapur belt, third is Billari Chitradurga Chikmagalur Tumkur belt, and the fourth one is the Maharashtra Goa belt. Now, the next ferrous mineral is the manganese. When we talk about the manganese, is mainly used in the manufacturing of steel and ferromanganese alloy. And you know, nearly 10 kg of manganese is required to manufacture around 1 ton of steel. So it is also used in manufacturing the bleaching powder, insecticides and paints. And at the same time, Orissa is the largest producer of manganese ore in India. And around 1/3 of the country's total production in 2000 and 2001 means that it accounted for around 1/3 of the total country's production. Now, the next is the non-ferrous mineral. Under non-ferrous mineral, the very first mineral is the copper. When we talk about the copper, India is critically deficient in the reserve and production of copper. That means we do not have a very good quantity of copper in our country. Now, being malleable, ductile, and a good conductor, copper is mainly used in electrical cables, electronics, and chemical industries. Children, it has been found in the Balaghat mines in Madhya Pradesh, which produce around 52% of India's copper. And then the Singhbhum district of Jharkhand is also a leading producer of copper. The Khetri mines in Rajasthan are also famous for the production of copper. The next non-ferrous mineral is bauxite. Now, when we talk about the bauxite, children, there are several ores, which contains aluminium. It is from bauxite. Bauxite, a clay-like substance that alumina and other aluminium is obtained. Bauxite deposits are formed by the decomposition of a wide variety of rocks that is rich in aluminium silicates. And do you know that India's bauxite deposits are mainly found in Amarkantak Plateau, Maikal Hills, and Plateau region of Bilaspur, Katni. Children, Orissa is the largest bauxite producing state in India with around 45% of the country's total production. And in 2000-2001, do you know Panchmatmali deposit in Koraput district are the most important bauxite deposit in the state. The next non-ferrous mineral which we have is mica. Now, children, mica is widely distributed and occurs in igneous, metamorphic and sedimentary region. Means it has been found in the region where igneous, metamorphic and sedimentary rocks have been found, and it has found that it has been used in the electronic industry as an electrical insulator, in capacitors and under semiconductor devices. Do you know that sheets and blocked mica are used in the electrical industry? and it has been found in Chota Nagpur Plateau, Jharkhand, Ajmer and Andhra Pradesh. The next and the last mineral, that is the non-ferrous mineral, is the limestone. Children, limestone is found in association with rocks composed of calcium carbonate or calcium and magnesium carbonate. It is found in sedimentary rocks of most geological formation. Limestone is the basic raw material for the cement industry and essential for smelting iron ore in the blast furnaces. That means it has been required for the blast to be for blasting of the iron also. So children, these are different minerals which have been categorized under ferrous and non-ferrous minerals.